How to edit a database table via phpMyAdmin and cPanel. Log into your cPanel account, you will be on this page. Go to the Databases section and click on the phpMyAdmin icon. On the left sidebar there are databases, click on the database you want to edit. The selected database expands in the right pane. Now click on the table you want to edit. All the values of the selected table are shown. Now click on the Edit button on that particular row, which you want to edit. For example, to change the blog name, click on the Edit button of that row. To change the blog name, just delete and type the new name. Now click on the Go button of this text editor. Notice that the blog name has been changed. Similarly, you can edit other entries of different tables and databases. Thank you for watching.